Okay, in this recording we're going to cover some selection tools in ICM. We're going to make a 5 angstrom selection around the ligand and then propagate that selection to all side chains within 5 angstroms of the ligand. We are going to then keep the waters that are in the pocket and delete the waters that are outside of the pocket. So first we need to display the waters as well here in the ICM workspace. We right click on the ligand, we choose neighbors, choose 5 angstroms. Same object. We don't want to select the ligand, which is the source, because we're right clicking on there. We don't want to unselect waters, we want to select them, and we can go OK. So now we see that the green crosses here, so this will select just 5 angstroms radius, but you may want to propagate that to the full chain, the full side chain. So you can use the R button here. You just click on that, then the selection is propagated to all atoms within that chain. So now if we go back to display panel, we can just click on side chains and you see that it shows all the side chains within 5 angstroms of the ligand. But our second thing we want to do is to keep just the waters that are in the pocket. So we can then use this option called invert selection. It's a up and down arrow, it could be an exclamation mark in older versions of ICM. If you click on that, that will invert your selection. So that means it's selected everything outside of the pocket, including the waters. So now to delete the waters that are outside the pocket, we can use the filter selection button here, two green X's. If you click on that, you get this window here, and you can filter. You have different filters, so on the residue level, molecule level, or atom level. If you go to the atom level, to the residue level, and we can choose by category. So we just want to select the waters, so we can uncheck amino acids. So that unchecks all the amino acids, and you're just left with the waters selected outside the pocket. And you can check that in the ICM workspace. So it's just the blue ones that are selected. This water 33, for example, is in the pocket. So we just right click and we choose delete, and that will delete all the waters outside the pocket. So then you're just left with 16 waters in this example inside the pocket. If you wanted to delete other ones, you can just right click and choose delete here as well. Thank you.